So today I'm going to show you how to locate and remove the cabin filter in a 2024 Toyota Corolla. It's going to be located behind the glove box door, and to lower that, we're going to open it, disconnect this damper here by just pulling on it. Then you have these stoppers here we need to get around. All we're going to do is pull them around like this. And if you notice that the glove box will come off its hinge down here, so you're not breaking it or anything. I need to do this one also. I'm going to push in like this and get it around. All right. I'm just going to go ahead and just take this guy all the way off like this. All right. So if you look at the hinges, they just come off. It's all plastic. It's supposed to do that. Now right here is where the filter is. It's inside this box. On the right side here, we're going to squeeze these, pull towards us. It comes off real easy. All right. Now notice this says up here because we need to put it back exactly how we took it off. And here's the filter, and it sits in a little retainer. And you reuse the plastic retainer, and you just pull out the filter like this, okay? So this filter does have about 14,000 miles. You can see how it's brown. It's not completely used up yet, so we're not going to change it today. Probably do it in the next oil change or two. See if I can get you a part number real quick for this guy here. There's the part number. Notice how the factory one, this is the factory one. It says up, and there should be an arrow here. All right. Up and an arrow there. Now when you go to put this thing back, when you put it in here, if you stick it in halfway, it's not really, what I mean is you need to stick it in there all the way to make sure it lifts up right here. All right, just like that. Because if you don't, the door won't go on. Because the door has these little pins right here that go in between the slot. We put the left side in first, like that, slide it on, lock, glove box right back on the hinge. We'll just push it on there. And it doesn't grab it very tight, kind of just sits on there, then we close the glove box like that. Give it a little push to make sure we're all good. Damper. Hook it up. Bam, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Hit that like button for me, leave me a comment if you could. Hope to see you again in another video.